In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to let others book a meeting with you using Google Calendar. This is a wonderfully efficient way to organize your time and make it easy for others to schedule time with you. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar. Simply open your web browser and head to the Google Calendar homepage. Once you're there, look to the upper left corner and click on the Create button. This is where the magic begins. After clicking Create, you'll see an option labelled Appointment Schedule. Go ahead and click on that. You'll now be prompted to fill in the details of your appointment. It's important to include a clear title, something descriptive and concise that quickly conveys the focus of the meeting. Next, set the duration, which will determine how long each meeting slot will last. Don't forget to specify the date and time, ensuring it aligns with your availability and the convenience of those you're meeting with. Once you've filled in these initial details, click Next. This will bring you to a screen where you can further customize your appointment. If you'd like, you can change your profile photo to ensure a professional image appears during the booking process. Additionally, you can specify the meeting location. This could be a physical venue or simply labeling it as a virtual meeting if you'll be using a video conferencing tool. Adding a description can provide further context about the meeting, helping invitees come prepared. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. This will finalize your scheduling options and your appointment slots are now ready to share with the world. Now let's talk about how to share the booking page. Go back to your calendar grid and find the appointment schedule you just created. Click on it and you'll see a Share button. Google Calendar then generates a link to your booking page, in addition to providing a website embed code. Whether you want to email the link, embed it on your website, or share it through various platforms, simply copy the option that best suits your needs. To ensure everything is working smoothly, paste the link where you intend to share it, providing easy access for others to book an appointment with you. And if you're curious to see what the booking page looks like from a participant's perspective, just click Open Booking Page from within the appointment schedule. On this page, participants can effortlessly book an appointment by choosing a time slot that works for them, entering their details, and finalizing by clicking Book. It's a seamless process and you're all set for a more organized and efficient meeting schedule. Happy scheduling.